Guys, this is Rachel from Blue Jane Creations, and I want to come on and do a quick unboxing. I received the Sweet Treasures card making kit by Dawn at Shiny Silver Treasures. But before I get into that, I just want to let you know all of the information for Dawn, her Etsy shop, and all of the design team members will be listed in the description box below. So please make sure you go check them out, check out her website. Do some shopping. Great stuff as always. As of filming, I don't know what is still available, so if you are interested in any of the things that you see in this video, I would hop over there sooner rather than later, because when they're gone, they could be gone. So just a side note on that. So I'm going to just jump right into it. I'm not going in any particular order. So I'm going to set this aside, and again, this is the Sweet Treasures card making kit by Dawn at Shiny Silver Treasures. And I'm just going to go from left to right. Let's make it easy. These are the background papers and the fussy cutting sheets. You get a variety of the embellishments. You can cut these out off of the sheets. You got the cupcakes. You see the different colors in the donuts. You get different colors of the macaroon. I'm never sure if I'm saying that right. I apologize if I'm not right, but the macaroons. And then you get some pops and some candies, again in multiple colors. So those are the fussy cutting sheets. You get 3 each of the background papers, and if you do end up purchasing the card making kit, if they are still available, the items in here may vary slightly. This is just a basic overview of what you may get in the kit. So that's also an important note to put out there. So you get three of each of the colors in your kit of the background papers. So we've got the chocolate, we've got the purple. I think of it as like a blueberry icing. We've got the yellow for like the vanilla, or it could even be a lemon icing color. You've got the blue. I think of it as like a blueberry or a blue raspberry. And then the final one, it's like a pinky purple. I think of it as like a bubble gum, or it could even be a strawberry. I can't look at her stuff and not think of food. So that is the things that I'm thinking of when I look at her stuff. So, okay, so those are the papers and the fussy cutting sheets. You get 5 cards. I believe this is the A6 size, and then you get 5 matching envelopes. So you'll have more than making 5 cards worth of stuff, but this is what she includes in the card. So it comes with the 5 cards and envelopes. You get an A5 and an A4 sized sheet. This is cut down to make it easier for shipping. So you get 1 full sheet in the larger sized sentiments. You get 1 in the smaller sized font for the A5 size. So that is your word pack. You get some specialty cardstock. You get 2 of the white, and I believe these are Copic friendly. Yeah, I believe these 2 are Copic friendly. You get a really pretty copper. There's a really pretty lilac, and both of these are textured. This is like a pearlescent, and this is like a textured pearlescent. Oh, wait, there's a blue one hiding. And you get some blue cardstock, and again you get some ivory colored cardstock that comes with it. So those are your papers. You also get, if you like to just get the embellishment and go, if you don't do fussy cutting, or you can't do the fussy cutting, then you get some stickers, and they have a nice translucency to them. So you have some stickers in the embellishments. And they come in all the varieties of the embellishments. You get the donuts, the macaroons, the candies, the pops, and the cupcakes. So, and I apologize for all the umming. My dictionary is apparently, again, another day it doesn't want to work. You also get a cute little pin, little donut. I got a collection of pins like these that I've started. I put them up in my car, so this will be with me every day. And every time I look at it, I'm going to want a donut. Because it has been that way since I've seen this kit. I look at it and I immediately want a donut. So, you get a really cute roll of washi tape. I already stretched it out ahead of time so you can see the repeating pattern. Where it says sweet and then some various cupcakes. So that is a roll of the washi tape, and that's a good size. That will last you a while. That's a nice thing about washi. A little goes a very long way. You get a really cute stencil. Let me bring back the darker paper so you can see. This is a really fun pattern. It almost looks like leaves, but this is the stencil that comes in the kit. Kind of makes me think of a candy necklace now that I'm looking at it. And then there's a stamp and sentiment set. This one is really pretty because you have sweets with tea, right? You can have a tea party. Okay. Then you get a really pretty piece of lace. And I got this one is like in a hot pink. I am not entirely sure what this is called, but it kind of reminds me of raffia, if I'm saying that correctly. But it's like a finer, it's like almost like you could make little nests with it, or I'm trying to think of what the other thing is. I'm not pasta. It's almost like spun sugar, like if you stretch it out into strands. This is what it reminds me of. So anyway, you get a bundle of this for adding some elements to your project, because it's a card kit, but you can make whatever with it. You can use these things on so many different projects. I'm going to go through the embellishments first. So you get a little pack of some wooden cupcakes, and you get a really cute wooden tag. Then you get some bulb pins. Now I finally remembered the actual name. These are bulb pins. So you get some of those. Okay, set that aside. And you get a little baggie of these pearl gemstones, the flat bottomed. You get like it looks like off-white. Yeah, that's an off-white, a pale blue, and like a lilac color in the little faux pearls. You get some dark pink drusies. You get 5 of those. And they have like the iridescence. You get 3 buttons, clear buttons, for adding as just a little something as an embellishment. Okay. Then you get a whole mix in different colors and shapes of sequins. You have stars, you have like the round ones. Let's see if I can pull one up so you can see. They don't want to stick to my finger. Okay, but anyway, you get like, you can see, you get like a little party pack of stars and different colored sequins. Then you get a couple packs of embellishments. These are in various colors, and then there's one of yellow, and these are pineapples. And you got some apples. So you get, it's a nice mix, and they're wood, if I didn't say that. Then you get a little bundle of really, really cute fruit embellishments. You've got like avocado, grape, strawberry, apple, orange, stuff like that. So this is really cute for just adding that little something to your card. And then you get a small pack of some handmade flowers. These are cut down and put together by Dawn. And you get a variety of colors. And it's a really nice mix of sizes too. If you're working on a smaller card, then you have some smaller sized flowers to work with. So that is a little bundle of flowers. Again, all handmade and put together by Dawn. Then you get a little pack of ribbon. I wasn't going to take it out, but you can have some fun. It's really pretty. You get like the off-white, you get like a blue, a lilac-y purple, pink, and like a dark pink. Not really a red. I'm not sure how that comes through for you if you're watching this, but it's like a dark pink. Yeah, I would call that a dark pink. So these are the strips of ribbon that you will get to, again, add as embellishment. And you get a little sweet treat. I haven't eaten this yet. I did pretty good. I've been looking at it. But I refrained until after the boxing. So once this video's done, then it's fair game and it's going to be gone. And then you get some, and again, these could be a variety, but you get some of the little fun round stickers. These are like different themes of lemon. Okay. And I'm going to scoop those up in here. Then, of course, you have to get some Yum Yums. These are like donuts, or they're referencing donuts, or cupcakes, or all kinds of goodies in here. And you get a couple sizes. So you just get some fun stickers. And then here's another pack. Little bit variety of shapes and sizes for the stickers. Like this is like an oval, and you get some more of the round ones. And this one is cut to shape for like a bagel. So just a whole bunch of fun stickers you can use for embellishments. And then we have one final pack of the stickers. And they're also fun to put on wooden buttons too. You can attach them, glue them to a wooden button, and then you can make like a dimensional embellishment. I did that with her Christmas stickers. And then these are some larger ones, again, referencing the sweets. And again, I still want a donut or a cupcake. I'll take a cupcake. So these are the stickers and all of the items in the kit. Again, I don't know what is still available, but please go check it out and get you some sweet treats for sure. And just to reiterate, all the information will be linked below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned. I will start crafting with this kit, and I will have lots of videos to follow using the card kit that you saw today. So go check out Dawn, check out her design team, and of course, as always, take care and stay safe, and I will definitely see you in the next video.